Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Jack with Stronghold Strength and Conditioning. And today we're going to be doing a 10-minute intermediate core workout with a heavy focus on the abdominals and the glutes. The workout's going to consist of 2 rounds of 5 exercises, and we're going to be doing every minute on the minute. So it's going to be a nice circuit flow right through the workout, non-stop. Now, if you need to make it a little bit easier, you can take it down a notch and do 30 seconds on, 30-second rest before you begin the next exercise each time. Here's the breakdown. Alright guys, get ready because here we go. You'll have a timer in the middle at the bottom of your screen, so pay attention to that, timing your minute here. We're going to start off with the dead bug hold. Ready? Go ahead and begin. I'm pulling my low back to the mat. My knees and hips are at 90 degrees. My arms are reaching directly out from the shoulder toward the ceiling with my palms facing one another. Continuously focus on that flex of the abdomen, pulling the lumbar spine to the mat. 10 seconds remaining. Get ready, we're going to transition and flow right into the dead bug reach. So we're going alternate arm and leg, reaching out. Ready, set, and begin. Opposite arm and leg reach. When I extend the leg out, I want to flex the quads and flex the glutes of the leg, pulling my heel down to the mat. As I reach the arm up overhead, I want to touch the thumb to the floor so my palms still face one another. Reaching the arm, I want to make sure that my shoulder does not shrug into my ears. Five seconds. We're going to be going into the dead bug to glute bridge combo. Ready? Go ahead and begin. So both legs, I'm controlling the lower to the mat, always keeping my lumbar spine flat every time the legs bring the body back down. Drive up using the glutes every time the feet touch the floor. So I'm focusing on a nice tight squeeze from my butt, pushing the hips high and driving my knees wide. My arms still reach directly out from the shoulders, trying to keep them as straight as possible, pulling my shoulder blades together. Seconds, we're going to be going into the glute bridge march. So this one's going to be a hold, and we're pulling one leg and pressing the other. Ready, set, and go ahead and begin. Hold the hips high. Pull one knee toward the forearm on that side. At the same time, press the other leg strong into the floor using the glutes. We want to minimize any movement of the pelvis by keeping the glutes tight and focusing on the flex of the abdomen. Naturally, you're going to get a little bit of shift, but we can minimize it by pulling the shoulder blades hard into the floor, so I'm flexing my upper back against the ground. Keep concentrating on glutes and upper back here. 5 seconds, and then we have the hollow body half hold here. Ready? Go ahead and begin. Lower in, imprint the lumbar spine to the mat. We want to make sure that the neck stays neutral here, so I'm pulling up from my abdomen, not leading with my head and neck. Keeping the chin a little bit tucked. It should feel like you're trying to peel your shoulder blades off of the mat. I'm peeling higher and higher, but as I do that, it's coming from the abs. My feet stay planted, my knees are opening a little bit, and I'm holding tight, focusing on the abdomen. Keep holding 10 seconds, and then we're coming back in for round 2. 5 seconds. Good job, release, and we're coming back to the dead bug. So I pull my low back to the mat, I pick my knees up to 90 degrees, my hips up to 90 degrees, and I pull my shoulder blades down and back into the mat, reaching the arms straight up toward the ceiling with the palms parallel. Hold the flex tight, always pulling that lumbar spine to the mat tight. 5 seconds, and then we're going into the alternating reach. Keep pulling in, ready, go ahead and reach opposite arm and leg for the floor. Flexing the quads on the leg that's extending, flexing the glutes, pulling the heel to a light tap to the floor, never putting the full weight of the leg down. Reaching opposite arm and leg, always keeping the lumbar spine flat, never shrugging the shoulders up into the ears, so my shoulder blades stay in the same spot the whole time. Five seconds, and then we'll be going to the combo, glute bridge and dead bug. Ready? Go ahead and begin. So lower the feet in with control. Lumbar spine stays flat to the mat. I pick the hips up using the glutes, so a strong flex on those glutes, driving up, the knees pulling wide to make sure that we get all 3 gluteal muscles engaged. Arms as straight as I can keep them, reaching toward the ceiling with the shoulder blades pulling back to the floor the whole time. Ten seconds, keep working, just a nice smooth movement. 5 seconds, we'll be going into the glute bridge march. Ready, begin. Hold those hips high, pull one knee to the forearm as you press the opposite foot into the ground, continuously pulling those shoulder blades hard into the mat behind you to help minimize the shift of my pelvis. Focus on the flex of the glutes of the leg that's pressing down into the mat and those shoulder blades. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. This is our last minute. Lower in for the hollow body half hold here. Peel those shoulder blades off the mat. Once again, focusing strictly on the abdomen lifting you. It should feel like you're trying to touch your ribs to your thighs. But in order to pull tighter and tighter, we always flex the abs harder and harder. It's never coming from my head and neck, the lift here. My head and neck stay neutral. Finish out strong. You have 30 seconds left. You can do it. Alright guys, you did it. You made it through the workout. Let us know what you thought by clicking the like button or commenting below and telling us what muscle groups are sore, what was the hardest exercise, and what you'd like to see in the future. Also, be sure to subscribe to our channel so that you can get future workouts that we put out like this and other informational videos. We'll see you guys next time.